Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Alava BH128 bone conduction open ear headphones, Bluetooth wireless 5.0. It is great for sports workout headsets. This one is the IPX4, which is waterproof. It offers HD phone calls. It is great for running and exercise. They offer black or white color, so my son chose the white color. It offers dual listening, which means you can hear the outside environment. Also, you hear your music at the same time. You know, with those earbuds or the DJ headphone with the big earmuff or ear pads. If you use one of those headphone or earbuds, it is not safe. If you are using outdoor, not able to be aware of your surrounding, and then for the earbuds, it is not healthy for your ears. Long-term headphone ears can now pain, and then you might have a hearing loss. Also, it is not polite when other people are talking to you and you cannot hear what they're saying. So with this earpiece, it has a dual listening, so you can hear not just your music, but also your surroundings. This one has a 60 panoramic sound, which is offer a hi-fi audio outputs, brings you premium audio enjoyment. It has an ecological diaphragm speaker, offers a clear, crisp vocal and deep control bass that is well balanced for both ears. Open ears to listen to your music and what's outside of the world. And it also offers a 360-degree bending free. It has a flexible titanium alloy wraparound. Titanium alloy wraparound supports a 360-degree bending without deformation. It has a 230 mAh high-quality lithium polymer battery designed for outdoor activities and sports enthusiasts. It supports long-term use with the energy saving mode to meet the needs of outdoor use. And with just a one finger control on the side of the earphone, there is a touch finger control. There's a AI voice control when you hold it for 3 seconds, and then one click to play, pause, or one click to answer and reject call. And then this one is a very lightweight design for sports, which only has 27 gram, and IPX4, it is sweatproof. So the Bluetooth 5.0, which is consume less power compared to other 4.0, 3.0, 2.0. This is compatible with the Apple iOS and then Android devices. So the standby time is about 360 hours, and then it gives you 6 hours of music playtime at the max volume. So enough of those specs. Let's go and then cut this open. So it is wrapping with this string wrap. Let me give you the 360 view of the box real quick. So this is 新品 means new product in Chinese. So it gives you a dual listening, ecological diaphragm, 27 gram, which is ultra lightweight. And then battery life, 6 hours. And it is same thing on this side. So this is kind of remind me of the Samsung when they have that colorful when you shine the light to it. So it gives you ear protection and then safe on road. And this is the Bluetooth 5.0. Working range is up to 15 meter. It is a 3.7 volt battery. Charging time is about 1.5 hours. Standby time 360 hours. Working time 6 hours. And this is how to wear your headphones. It's good for running, cycling, hiking, driving. And it says a new way of hearing. So let's go and then open this up. Guess it doesn't want to come out. Whoops. Guess it doesn't want to come out. It is so tight. Okay. So it says open ear solo. This must be a charger cable. And then here's your instruction booklet or user manual. This one is in Chinese. Then the second one is in English. This is the free gift card. Let's go ahead and check out this one. What kind of adapter is this? So this one is the micro USB. So this is the headphone right here. There's your volume up and down. By the way, I was trying to turn on this headphone. At first I thought the touch is going to be power on and off, but actually the next to the charging port right here, this button is the power on and off. You're going to press and hold it down for 5 seconds. And then you're going to press it again to turn it off. So it says power on and then power off. So another thing I want to point it out is when you want to pair this with your smartphone, you're going to press this power and keep on holding it until it says pairing. Then you let go. Okay? And then now you can pair it with your smartphone, either your Apple, iOS, or your Android or Google phones. And there's a LED right here. Right here is your touch control to answer your phone call and everything, or to play and pause. And right here, this is the titanium metal inside here that you can bend 360 degrees and it still stays in shape. So it stays in shape without getting a deformation, so which is good. You know, a lot of people, they probably sit on their headset by accident, so this one's made out of titanium, so it's pretty flexible and stay in shape. So if you hold this button, hold it down for like 3 seconds, you will activate either Siri or the Google Assist. Let's go ahead and plug in this charging cable. There's like a rubber cover right here, and you need to pull that out open. Okay. So the wider part is facing the top toward the LED. So you gotta make sure, because this is not USB Type C. And then you connect like this to charge it. And on this side it says dual listening. So this is like a rubber right here. It's like a gray rubber. And it is made in China. So you know, with those small earbuds that come with those different adapters, sometimes it falls off of your ears. So this one would be great if you have those with different kind of ear canal, and then it will not fit. And this one will just sit on your ear, on the outside of your ear, just like this. So I'm gonna charge it and then test it out. So this is just an unboxing video, so be sure to stay tuned for the in-depth full review about this. So if you like, I'm going to include the link that is going to show it within the below, so you can check them out. So yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.